Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can find the path forward in Manhunt mission. So what we need to do is basically go forward like this. After that, right here you can open up some chests. So open those and go to the left side. There will be some fires, so be careful of those. After that you can heal, and right here you'll find this little statue, so lift it, and then basically you'll need to run down and put on the slab. So just basically run to the slab right here.
Got some brains after all. Put that rock on one side of the slab. Then hey.
And as you can see, the gates will open up. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.